back to my channel Tanutalks. We girls love long hair, but last month I got a haircut. Why? Because like everyone, I was also suffering from long hair problems like split ends, weak hair strands, and my hair badly needed a trimming. But recently I started using a hair care regime at home using professional Matrix Optilong range. And trust me, this range has really helped me to improve my hair condition. I'm talking about the long hair regime that I have been following using the Professional's Matrix Optilong range that provides specialized care for everything that the long hair needs. I'm going to explain you the 3 steps for the perfect long hair regime. Step number 1 is cleanse using the Professional Nourishing Shampoo. It cleans and removes greasiness from the hair. Step number 2 is nourish using Professional Nourishing Conditioner. It provides manageable and tangle-free hair. Step number 3 is protect using Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream. It gives 3 times more protection from split end damage. This is my ultimate solution for hair breakage and split end damage. To use this, take a pump or 2 of this leave-in cream on your palm and apply on towel dried hair. After that, you can go ahead and style the hair you want to. You can blow dry your hair, you can straighten your hair, or you can curl your hair. This hair care regime acts as a blessing for long hair. My hair no more suffers from split ends or rough dry hair. You can see my hair looks beautiful, smooth and healthy with no split ends. This range is highly affordable. The Professional Nourishing Shampoo retails for ₹500 for 350 ml. The Professional Nourishing Conditioner is for ₹400 for 196 grams. And Professional Nourishing Leave-In Cream is for ₹445 only for 98 ml. I highly urge you all to try out the Professional Matrix Optilong range, especially for the split ends problem. I have mentioned the purchasing links of these products in the description box below with exclusive discounts. Don't forget to check it out. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys next time. Till then, you all take care. Bye.